Hi everyone. In the Business 101 series that I did before, you can find it on this channel's YouTube playlist. I discuss about how to start a business, find a profitable niche, set up your business and website, and promote your business. So for those of you who decided to do affiliate marketing, you need to know how to find these affiliate programs within your niche and to earn commissions. Today, I will show you a very useful tool on Wealthy Affiliate that can help you do exactly that. Before I continue, remember to subscribe and hit the notification button so that you get updated, whenever I publish a new video. After creating your website, you are now ready to find affiliate programs, promote affiliate products, and earn commissions. But finding the right affiliate programs, really good quality ones and profitable ones can be quite a difficult task. The reason is there are so many affiliate programs out there on the internet, hundreds and thousands of them, and then you have to sift through all of it, isn't it? So sure, you can use search engines like Google to find these affiliate programs, but that can be very time consuming. And on top of it, how do you know whether they are good quality affiliate programs? So at Wealthy Affiliate, they created this affiliate program search feature to help you do that more effectively and efficiently. The affiliate programs search feature is an environment that can help affiliates to search and find relevant affiliate programs. It's a medium to communicate, give feedback, and give reviews about. You can find particular affiliate programs that you would like to be involved with, and you can even follow and manage your list of affiliate programs that you're interested in, or the ones that you're involved with, right? With this platform, you're able to search, find, and manage your affiliate programs. So this, to me, I've never seen such a tool elsewhere, that is really useful, and or one that actually had decent quality affiliate programs within them. The focus with this platform is about to reward high quality and actively managed programs, and to limit exposure to programs that are lower quality and that don't have active support behind them. So you're going to see mostly just high quality affiliate programs. The affiliate programs feature is a relatively new menu item within the main menu. You can see as the label as promote, on the main menu. When you click on it, you will find that you will go to a page where it is the affiliate programs search platform. So as I said before, once you hit the option promote, right, you will reach the affiliate program search dashboard. There's a search function to help you find affiliate programs. Then there are the popular categories for you to consider. To me, this also looks like a great way to see which niches are popular, so you can consider these niches. Then there are the popular keywords that other users are using to find affiliate programs. This can help you know what others are searching for. And then there's the section here, which is the trending opportunities. This shows you which affiliate programs are trending and popular. Further down this page, there are the high commission section. So this shows you which affiliate programs are giving out high commissions. And then there's the high percentage. and high rated affiliate programs, so these are inside these the relevant section of high percentage and high rated. Let's explore further. First, at the top of the dashboard is the search function, and this search function helps users to find affiliate programs efficiently. All you got to do is enter the keyword for the type of related affiliate programs that you would like to search for, right? For example, let's say I'm searching for affiliate programs for weight loss, right? So once I key in that and I click search, I will see a list of search results, right? All these affiliate programs related to weight loss. And also, if I want to, I can also organize and search by categories. All I have to do is click on the all, yeah, with the down arrow there to the left of the search bar. Then I will see, I will see categories for me to filter the search results. Yeah, and only show programs within certain categories that I would like to focus on. I can also further filter the search using the filter function here. Um, you know, I click on this button with that looks like the controls, right? Then you can see the following filters, right? Such as country availability. So this is very good to know whether the program is available, in your country, or which countries you would like to target. You can also use this. Then payout options, whether this affiliate program is auto approval, what's the rating, how much commission you get, and if there's any network fee. So use this, you can browse through the refined search results after using these filters, and then you can read those affiliate programs that you're interested in for more details. So if you're interested in a particular affiliate program, you move your mouse over that particular search result, then click on View Program Details. Right, you can see full details about this program. There's a brief on what this program is all about. You can also choose to view the website, that is to visit the website of the company that owns this affiliate program, to see what this company is all about, what other products they sell, where they're based, about them, and so forth, right? You can also see the commissions you can earn per sale, and also whether the commission varies. Do you get auto approval or not? What is the currency that they pay you, when you get a commission, right? And how they pay out to you. You can choose, you can't choose, but they will tell you how they're going to pay out to you, like PayPal or so forth, right? Then what is the minimum payout, and where it is available also. Yeah. So if you look further down, there are also reviews from users who have tried the program. This is very useful as it helps you to find out if this is a good quality program or not. You don't want to spend a lot of time, effort with a affiliate program only to have it later realize that you've wasted all your time and effort on a bad affiliate program, right? Yeah. So this really helps. The reviews really helps. And actually, when you join Wealthy Affiliate, you can also write a review after you've tried the affiliate program. You can share, how you feel about it, what you think of it. There's also a discussion section where users discuss about the program. So, if you like to discuss anything, or if you have any questions, you can ask it here. And the hundreds of thousands of internet marketers will come running to answer you or to help you. Finally, if you are interested, you can click on the Join This Program. This will take you to the pages, for you to sign up and join the program. Just simply follow the steps they require and you sign up. One of the exciting elements within this platform is that you are going to be able to follow affiliate programs and organize them in any way that meets your purposes. Many times, as you build your business, as you build your authority website, you will partner with many affiliate programs across many categories. And, so this helps you to be able to manage all your affiliate programs within the platform, and you can categorize how you see fit. You can also follow programs so that when there are discussions, reviews, or updates related to this particular program, you are going to be notified about them. This to me is a very useful feature because it keeps your affiliate program much more organized, and also it keeps you in the know with all the respective affiliate programs that you choose to either follow or to be a part to partner with, right? Yeah. So to follow a program, you simply click on the follow button, right? And so that whenever there's any updates, you will be notified. To follow a program, go to the program page and click on the follow button. Upon clicking, you will have the option to either organize the program into a no category group or choose an existing category for the group, or you can create a brand new category. So upon doing this, you will be able to access all of your stored affiliate programs when you return to this platform, this section. One of the unfortunate realities in this industry is that, there hasn't been much transparency between the affiliate and the merchant, that they're working with. Sometimes, in fact, most times, there isn't even a dedicated affiliate manager for even some of the biggest billion-dollar companies, and this is quite shocking in this day and age. So this affiliate programs feature here will bridge that gap. Yeah, it will really help you. It is a really useful tool that can help you succeed with your affiliate marketing business. Yeah, wealthy affiliate is known. It's one of the well-known things about wealthy affiliate is that it's one of the most comprehensive platform for educating and equipping affiliate marketers for success online. Yeah. So with this, with this new feature, researching and managing your affiliate programs that you are part of has never been easier. And as this platform evolves, it becomes even more efficient and better for you. You can join Wealthy Affiliate and access this tool easily. And also take note that besides this tool, there are other useful tools to help you with your online business. Plus, there are courses and webinars to give you one of the best education around on how to start and succeed with an online business. You can start with the free starter program and go premium later, so that the starter program gives you some of the free training, and then when you go premium, you go deeper, you get more in-depth training. I will leave a link to this awesome training program and tool in the description below, so go to the description below and click on the link to get it now. So do you have any questions about this affiliate program feature? Let me know in the comments below. So I will continue to publish new videos about making money online, and I'll try to do it regularly every Friday. Yeah, so remember to subscribe and hit the notification button to get updated whenever I publish a new video. I wish you immense wealth and success.